I'm thrilled to welcome to the show today from Nova Home Loans, Ian Brannon. Ian, thanks for being on the show.
Thanks for having me again, Jody.
You know, I love having you, and today I need some help. My wife and I have been talking about PMI and what we can do to make sure that in the next home that we buy, we're not paying it.
PMI stands for Private Mortgage Insurance. So what PMI is it's a mortgage insurance policy that you pay on behalf of the bank. Sounds kind of weird, right? But at the end of the day, the bank, they want to feel secure about you borrowing money from them. So if you put 5% down or 10% down, that really doesn't get them in their comfort level of giving you hundreds of thousands of dollars. So what mortgage insurance does is it pays the bank back in case of default. So if you put less than 20% down, more than likely you're going to have some type of mortgage insurance policy.
A lot of people don't know, say that they've been in their house for like a number of years and they've had PMI. Once they hit a certain threshold, they can actually make that go away, right?
Yes, and that threshold is actually a little deceitful to people. Some people think that, well, if I could avoid PMI by putting 20% down, once I hit 80% loan to value, then my PMI goes away. That's not the case. It's actually 78% loan to value once you already have it. So another 2 percentage points, the bank, it takes about a year extra to make that payment off. But you can always call the bank after 12 months of payments and ask them to do an appraisal on your house. If you pay the bank to do an appraisal on your house and you end up having that 20 or 22% equity mark, they can't take it off for you at that point.
That is great information. Thank you so much for sharing that with me and the folks at home. If they want to find out more about mortgages in general, what's the best way?
Well, the best way is to give me a call in my office. My direct line is 520-577-4761, or you can get all my contact information on my website. It's www.ianbrannongroup.com.
Fantastic. Thank you very much for being on the show.
Thanks, Jody.